Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will show you how to create a record keeping app with delete function in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. I would like to shout out Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Robelin, who are always watching my videos. If you want to support my channel and then you want to be shout out, kindly leave your name and then put shout out. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. If you want to help me out in my channel, you can click the join button. I have also about this channel, and then I have a Gcash account, that you can send your donation and support in my channel. Your support can help me a lot, in improving and continuing making more videos. Thank you so much guys for your help and support. Okay, so in this tutorial I am using pycharm community edition. So we have here the comment in C#. If you are new with in Python rather, if you are new, we are using sharp symbol to put a comment. So record keeping app with delete function in Python. In my previous videos, the record keeping app does not have any delete function. By this time I added delete function. Your story Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, my IT, MIT, and then I have two websites where you can download complete source code for free. The first one is www.jkrpomperada.com, and then the second one is www.jkrpomperada.blogspot.com. And then my personal email address where you can send an email is jkrpomperada@gmail.com. At present, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, IT consultancy. You can reach me in my email address. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. We have here Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here import OS for operating system functionality in our program. Import sys, path, lib, import path. Class records in its self-choice equals choice. If choice A means we add a record with open record text that are as record. Make sure that this file record text you have created already in your program, this one. Okay, so if none, it will create an error in our program. So for last line, records passed, and then it will add the ID number here, else num int, convert into the integer +1 increment. So we are asking the user to give the email, the name, email address, and then open the file, write record, a function in Python to save the record, and then formatting here. Else if b, the function b here is to view the record. We want to view the record here. This command, it will count and then display the record here, print. See if we want to delete the record here, the same thing, we will open the record.txt as f, while open the record 2 for line, if not line, and then else record deleted. D, for the D function, we have to clear the record, meaning we want to erase all the records here. Okay, and then E for exit our program. Now thank you. If none of the options A, B, C, D, it will display invalid response. It will try again. While true, we create a file here, and then we put some formatting in this portion, and then record path, text size, read first line, read lines, sharp, formatting of the output, create file, and then we have here the menu. Record keeping app with delete function in Python, and then we have several operators. A, add record. B, view record. C, delete record. D, clear records, exit, and then you have your selection and record selection here, convert to uppercase. Okay, so I'm very sure you are already excited now that we will run our program. Right click, run. Okay, letter A. Add record, let's say Jake Pomperada. Email address jkrpomperada@gmail.com. Bacolod City, Negros. Okay, Bacolod City only. May address, no? Okay, let us view the record. B. Okay, we can see, no, may record, the name, Jake Pomperada, email address, jkrpomperada@gmail.com, Bacolod City. Add another record, let's say 1 De La Cruz, 1 underscore De La Cruz at yahoo.com.ph. Banago, Bacolod City. Okay, so we add another record. Okay, so let us view. Letter B, we have 2 records already. Number 1, Jake Pomperada, and then 1 De La Cruz, number 2. We want to delete. C, delete a record. Number, let's see, 2. Okay, record deleted. Let us view, no? Letter B, only 1 record remaining. If we want to clear all the record, letter D, it will erase all the records. View B, no more records. And then E, to exit our program. It will display thank you so much. Thank you, no? Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video about record keeping app with delete function in Python programming language. I hope that you enjoyed and learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, the like button. If you want to share to your friends, click the share button, and then please support my channel if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.